In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your selling limits on eBay. Whether you're new to the platform or a seasoned seller, understanding these limits is crucial for effectively managing and maximizing your sales potential. So let's dive straight in and break down the process step by step to help you uncover this important aspect of your eBay account. First off, you're going to start by opening eBay on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this process requires access to your seller information. Once you're on eBay's homepage, move your mouse over the My eBay option that's prominently displayed at the top right corner of the page. As you hover over it, you'll see a drop-down menu appear with various options to choose from. Next, you'll want to click on Selling from that drop-down menu. This will take you directly to the Seller Hub, which is essentially your control center for managing everything related to your selling activities on eBay. The Seller Hub is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your account's performance, inventory, and many more aspects crucial to the selling process. So it's a good place to familiarize yourself with if you haven't already. Once you're in the Seller Hub, you should see several tabs that provide different views and tools. For our purposes today, locate the Overview tab. Go ahead and click on this tab. The Overview section provides a snapshot of your current selling status, things like pending orders, messages from buyers, and crucially, your selling limits. Now, as you scroll down through the Overview section, you're looking for an area titled Monthly Limits. This section is usually found in one of the quadrants on the page. The monthly limits area will present you with valuable information about your account, specifically your current selling limits. eBay sets these limits as a way to manage new sellers and ensure a balance in the marketplace. Here you'll find details on how many items you can currently list, as well as the total dollar value of those items. Understanding your selling limits can be vital in planning your inventory and marketing strategies, allowing you to avoid surprises that could disrupt your sales goals. And there you have it. With this method, you can easily stay informed about your selling limits. This information is not only useful for monitoring your account capacity, but also provides you with a benchmark to request higher limits from eBay if needed. Checking your selling limits regularly helps ensure that you're always operating at your account's full potential. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy selling on eBay.